Imagine ordering a phone charger and getting it in 15 minutes, not days. In 2024, Amazon made this real by deploying 30,000 delivery drones across rural towns. Their secret? AI that calculates weather, air traffic, and even bird migrations to slash delivery times by 90%.
Each drop costs just 15 cents versus $2.50 for trucks. But here's the kicker. Fewer trucks meant warehouse energy use dropped 18%, saving 4.2 million tons of CO2 this year alone. And yes, angry geese are still a problem. Meanwhile, Unilever faced a nightmare. 30% of their shipments were stuck when the Red Sea shipping lanes collapsed. Their solution? A blockchain platform connecting 5,000 small farms in Kenya directly to factories in Europe. Sensors track soil health, water use, and fair wages in real time. The result? 40% fewer emissions, $200 million saved from Africa-EU trade deals, and a viral TikTok campaign, #WhoMadeMySoap, that boosted sales by 22%. Turns out, Gen Z will pay extra to know their lavender soap wasn't made by exploited workers. But 2024's supply chain wars aren't just about speed or ethics. Take Tesla's ethical cobalt disaster. They promised conflict-free batteries, but leaked footage showed kids mining cobalt in Congo. Cue the #battery bloodbath hashtag and a 17% stock drop in 48 hours. Or Shein's 10-day design-to-door fast fashion model. Critics call it algorithmic sweatshops. Yet their sales hit $45 billion this year. Why? Because TikTok teens care about crop tops, but not enough to ask how they're made.
And let's not forget the robots.
Walmart's warehouses are now 60% automated, with AI cobots that pack orders 4x faster than humans.
Employees aren't thrilled, especially when the bots get promoted to manager. But here's the twist. When hackers crashed Walmart's AI systems in March, it was human workers who saved the day. Take that, Skynet, so what's next? Companies are stockpiling chips in Arctic vaults, influencers are dissecting supply chains in unboxing videos, and the EU just fined Nike $380 million for greenwashing their eco-friendly sneakers. Want the full story? Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Should I expose the dark side of AI warehouses or dive into the TikTok supply chain detectives next? Your choice. Stay curious.